At Techy, we've redefined the repair store experience by offering more than just fixes. Our range of services include buybacks, upgrades, and trade-ins, and it's propelled our repair business to new heights. The presence of our new device in our store has opened up an exciting opportunity to enhance customer satisfaction and boost profits. It's not just about fixing broken device anymore. It's about transforming customer visits into higher revenue streams. Trade-ins in particular have allowed us to unleash our creativity when creating deals for customers. They also enable us to acquire devices inexpensively, all while turning a profit at the same time. But here's the real game changer: device buybacks. We've discovered a powerful strategy by running local ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We attract a flood of traffic and clicks from users looking to sell their used devices. The high engagement rate signals to Facebook that our ad is top tier, leading to lower CPMs and broader exposure. In these ads, we've cleverly showcased our repair service as well, luring in countless new customers for as little as $5 per lead. When we buy back devices from our local community, the margins are nothing short of spectacular, often doubling our initial investment. The electronic repair industry is booming, and if you're looking to carve out your own success story, why not join us? With a corporate team boasting over 30 years of experience, we'll help you thrive in this flourishing industry. Sign up below to get started on your journey with Techy.